Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Grammar by Surendra sir. Today's class I am going to teach you the verb. What is verb? The verb is a word that expresses some action, feeling or existence. It tells us something about the subject as lions roar. This is the verb, roar is the verb, it shows action. Boys fly kites. Fly is the verb, it shows action. I feel sorry. Feel is the verb, it shows feeling. Ashoka was a great king. Was is a verb, it shows existence. What is main verb? Main verb are called as finite verb. Main verbs are called finite verb. For example, rower, fly, feel. In this case, this sentences, this is the main verb. Rower, fly, feels. There are two clauses of verbs in English. There are two clauses of verbs in English. Ordinary verb. In this verb, speak, tell, read, go, etc. It comes. Auxiliary verbs. Will, have, can, may, must, should, be, is, am, are, was, were, etc. So this comes in auxiliary verb and main verbs come in ordinary verb. Next. So now I am going to teach you ordinary verb. Ordinary verb. There are two types of ordinary verb. First one is finite verb. Second one is non-finite verb. Finite verbs change their forms according to the person and the number of the subject and tense also. That is, I read. Read is the verb. He reads. In this, reads is the verb. They read. She goes, I go, they go. Next, non-finite verb. Non-finite verb do not change their forms according to the number, person or tense of the subject. The infinitives, gerund and participles are called non-finites. Next. Finite verbs can be classified into the following three forms. Finite verbs can be classified into the following three forms. First one is transitive. A verb that takes an object is called a transitive verb. For example, Lata sang a song. Sang is the verb and a song is object. So this sentence, sang is verb and a song is object. So this is called transitive verb. Transitive. A verb that takes an object is called a transitive verb. So if any sentence there is subject, verb and object. So this way we can recognize. Second example, I wrote a letter. Wrote is the verb and a letter is object. Next. Intransitive. Verbs do not require object. They are called intransitive verb. For example, birds fly. In this sentence there is no object. Birds fly. Fly is the verb. There is no object in this sentence. The sun shines. Shine is the verb, no object. So this type of sentence is called intransitive. Verb do not require object. So this type of verb do not require object. They are called intransitive verbs. So this is the difference. Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs. An auxiliary verb is a helping verb. It helps the principal or main verbs to form a tense, mood or voice. Some questions or negative sentences. For example, I play cricket. This play is the verb and this is the principal verb. I shall help you. In this sentence, two verbs. So shall is the auxiliary verb. Shall indicates auxiliary verb and help is the principal verb. Help is principal verb and shall is auxiliary verb. She has finished her work. So has is the auxiliary verb and finished is the principal verb. So this way I have completed the basic concept of verbs. So next video I will tell you different